Hello friends, today I am going to explain you about the topic magnetic materials. Before going to magnetic materials, first we must know what is a magnet. Magnet is nothing but when two magnets are close, they create pushing or pulling forces on one another. These forces are stronger at the ends of the magnet. The two ends of the magnet are known as the North Pole and the South Pole. These attract each other, but two north poles will repel each other. The magnets will push away from each other, as with two south poles. Now let us know the general classification of the magnetic moment. Magnetic materials are classified into different categories based on their magnetic parameters and also on the basis of the effect of temperature and magnetic field on the magnetic properties. So, all materials are classified broadly into the following three categories: diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials and ferromagnetic materials. There are also two materials called as antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic, but these are having very close structure to the ferromagnetic materials but possess different magnetic field. Now let us discuss about diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials create an induced magnetic field in the direction opposite to an externally applied magnetic field. They are repelled by the applied magnetic fields. The permanent dipoles are absent in diamagnetic materials. Now let us know what are the general properties of diamagnetic materials. First general property is that diamagnetic materials experiences a repelling force when brought near the pole of the strong magnet, and the magnetic susceptibility Xi of this material is always negative, and the relative permeability mu r is always less than 1. In the absence of external magnetic field, the net magnetic dipole moment over each atom or molecule of a diamagnetic material is 0. This is due to the pairing of electrons. That is, it consists of even number of electrons. For example, bismuth, copper, lead, zinc. Now let us go to the next magnetic property, that is paramagnetic materials. What is a paramagnetic material? Paramagnetic material exhibit magnetism when the external magnetic field is applied. Paramagnetic material lose magnetization in the absence of an externally applied magnetic field. These materials are weakly attracted towards magnetic field. So let us know what are the general properties of paramagnetic materials. Paramagnetic materials experiences a feeble attractive force when brought near the pole of the magnet, and these materials possess some permanent dipole moment which arise due to some unpaired electrons. The magnetic susceptibility is Xi is small and positive. For example, platinum, aluminium, copper, sulfate, etc. And last we can study about ferromagnetic materials. Let us know what is ferromagnetic materials. It is the phenomenon in which material gets magnetized to a very large extent in the presence of an external field. The direction in which material gets magnetized is the same as that of the external. Let us study the general properties of ferromagnetic materials. Ferromagnetic materials experiences a very strong attractive force when brought near the pole of the magnet. Permeability is very much greater than 1 and susceptibility is positive and high. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel, manganese, etc. Thank you. Hello friends, today I am going to explain you about the topic magnetic materials. Before going to magnetic materials, first we must know what is a magnet.